at any time, walk around to any of the stations. So just be prepared to tell them what it is you worked on. You may have to do it one right after another, maybe not, maybe they'll come in little groups. Just enjoy your time, and then at 4:45, we'll switch the groups. All right, very good, thank you.
What's your major? Computer science. Are you graduating this semester?
Yes.
Are you excited? That's great. You're excited about your presentation? Right. Excited. So is your topic about Chat GPT? Yeah.
Correlation stocks.
Okay, what is your name? Your major? Okay, great. And so today you're presenting this. What's the relevance of this to your major?
It uses the correlation stocks. It's like comparing between the two stocks, and by using the crew AI agents, we can maximize the profits and then portfolio entities.
Oh.
Yeah. And then by using the crew AI, we use the two primary agents in this process. For the first one is we can fetch the data from the data fetcher, and then we can send it to the agent.
Mm.
The data is sent to the agent, and the agent it's like a correlation agent.
Mhm. So you find that AI
Let the
is
questions
definitely,
begin.
Yeah,
is definitely very beneficial to
yeah,
your
it's
degree.
so beneficial
Right.
for the future.
Oh, that's great. So where do you see this research or your presentation applicable in a daily life?
We use them for the gas stations or for in a software, and if you take airlines,
Mhm.
like that, if you take
Yeah.
it's like a correlation, you can take the stock tickers American Airlines and then BAL you can take, and then by the token users like this, and this is the output. You can take that analyst or AL and the DL, it collects the data and it analyze everything, and then the agent we got the correlation between the AL and DL, it's like 0.5.
Wonderful. So what you learned in the class of Dr. Glossner really helped you put together these things. Okay. What do you think about? Is that the professional study class, or what? What's the course that you took with
Yeah,
Dr.
professional
Seminar? All right. So this class is actually preparing you to be on a real-time
Real-time,
employee,
yeah.
right? Okay.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's helpful for the future.
Yeah, right. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Good luck, Shirley.
Thank you.
Yes. It's great. GPT, yes. Are you excited about this program? Yeah. Nice. Good luck. Okay, Shivani, what is this presentation about?
This is about Telugu agent, ma'am.
Telugu age.
Because it is like an agent, it will learn like the user can learn Telugu. Like especially for the foreigners, they don't know the Telugu, right? So
Yeah.
they can learn Telugu.
Is it like a Google Translate kind of thing, or
Like little bit like
a little bit like that?
Because
Oh,
it is like agent, like it will teach you some like Telugu from basics to advanced level.
wow.
It will show some words like translation of English to Telugu, so you can learn easily with that words.
Oh, okay.
Like namaste,
Oh, all right. So
hello, like
you are coding a program
everything I can
to
do.
help
This is
you.
the old word, right?
So this
So yeah, there is a words like namaskaram, hello. Like you know the English words, right?
Yes.
So with that we can learn Telugu. So with the translation we can with that hello, namaskaram, hello. So you don't know the Telugu, right? So we can
Yes,
learn.
that's great.
How are you? Hello, Amaru.
Wow. I love it because usually what I do when I travel to India, I'll go to the Google Translate. So I love that a student.
The way of communication.
Yes, yeah. And because of the knowledge that you gained from Dr. Glossner on the professional seminar, you were able to put together this program.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Helped me a
yeah.
lot to do this project.
Yeah.
And the Glossner, I'm very glad to do the project.
Wow,
Because
fantastic.
he helped me a lot by coding, everything. He helped me a lot.
Yeah,
He encourages me to do this.
yeah.
And he is also so much like
Yeah.
he is more enthusiasm for this
Yeah.
because our language, Indian language, right? So I'm very proud to say this is my language. my
Yes.
mother tongue.
Yeah. I'm so glad to hear that because I heard a lot of students, this professional seminar course that you take with Dr. Glossner really prepares you to be in a real-time employment environment.
We can communicate casually, normally with Telugu people easily. The foreigners can like glad to learn easily with this agent.
Oh, wow. So what do you call this program again?
It is adaptive Telugu agent.
Adaptive Telugu Agent. Okay, great job. Awesome. So proud of you guys. Motion recognition using geometry and deep learning. What do you mean by that?
It means that basically the main concept of this is we have to recognize the emotions of the person. Like if the person is watching a movie and if the person is scared, then we can identify his emotions and what he's going through the people's dimensions and the neural activity using
Oh,
the deep learning method. So that's basically it. If you can see here, we can. We can show input to the individual. We can show a movie or a video, and those emotions will be transformed into a signals. Like if he is very scared or angry, the frequency will be high, and if he is not so scared, the frequency will be low. And after that, those frequencies will be divided into models, and using one model, we can get the final output will be the person's expression.
wonderful. So where do you think this program or this research help a person in a real life situation, right?
If the person, we can see if the person is suffering from PTSD or if he has some mental issues, like not mental issues, but if
The
he is
emotional.
suffering if
Yeah.
he is suffering from depression or something like that, we can just observe it through the pupil expressions and all those things, and in the
Yeah.
real life we can help that person
Yeah.
if he's not open about it.
So does it involve any equipment to
No,
put on the
this is
so
completely virtual. I mean, in few experiments, what we do is we insert something. Or we do
Yeah, that's what I
physical
thought.
Stuff.
Ah.
This is not that.
so just the way the behavior of the person, you'll be able to do that. Oh, so proud of you. So you have done this because you are in the professional seminar class, right? And so you can say that you truly learned the foundation of creating something very informational and instrumental to the world. Okay, great job. We're so enjoying this. All right. Where is Scarlett?
Second batch.
Hi. Are you the second batch? What is that about? What is the research about?
So our research is like unsupervised learning for emotion recognition. So as we did, the work is like we collected the total wallpapers in the the paper publications is happened like elsewhere and lectures and like that. So in those wallpapers there is an updated technology is added, but we collected all wallpapers and we added the new technology which is covering the main thing is like unsupervised learning is like so for example I can take the example like in mental hospital there is a different people mental things
Yeah.
is like
Yeah, the
disabled,
emotional.
trigger.
Yeah.
So they will speak in a normal mode like a happy mode they will speak, but we can't guess that is they are
The
the
true
original,
feelings.
original feelings.
Yeah.
But based on their voice they will, it will detect that whether they are feeling happy or sad or else any angry mode it is there. So
Not going to give any message sign.
Okay.
It's just like raw data, and then it's going to give what emotion they are in.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. What else can you think about? So it sounds to me that you do not need any single equipment to detect the emotion, but just the action, the voice of the person.
There is an embedded chip will be there. So in that we will do the coding with the help of the AI ML. So based on that AI ML coding, in that chip it will detect the voice recording, and based on the voice recording, it will give the output like it will show that this face is like an angry mode.
Ah.
Exactly.
Oh. Really?
Right now we are giving the accuracy is like 60 to 70%, and at a time it can take 16,000 to 1500 to 1600 voice recording, and it will give the output.
That's awesome. That is awesome. So it's really the professional seminar that you learned
Yes.
from Dr. Glossner
Dr. Barker.
really Barker
Barker.
help you really because this is deep learning, right? Machine learning kind of
Yes,
thing.
kind of thing.
Okay, very good. So proud. So can you tell us what you have? These are our computer science students presenting.
Emotion detection using EEG signal. EEG is nothing but electroencephalogram, and that is nothing but a tiny electrode that are stuck to your head, which provide signals of the brain to rectify if a person is happy, sad, he's scared, or if he is neutral. These can be used in three states, which is marketing, in healthcare, and also human and computer interactions. In marketing, by knowing the signals, you can market a good product to a person. And in healthcare, it's used in therapy, and it is also used in knowing the person's mental health. If he is actually sad, sometimes people are sad but they don't convey it out.
Yeah.
Sometimes people are in danger and in fear but they don't tell it out. So that way, these signals with EEG will rectify in which state they are, and it will give a correct care to them. And in the human and computer interactions, it is used in gaming, and it is also used in training a person, whether he is fit mentally, and it can be used in army also.
Yeah.
And going forward with the problem, it is very difficult for different individuals. Every brain has a different waveform, so it is very difficult to generalize it in one form. It is a challenge to overcome because we need to prepare one model which can go for all the brains, like all the people. So for this wearable, so we have to wear it on ourselves, so we get it out. Like this Apple Watch, so it is high performance, but we have to use a less power consumption in it. So we have to overcome the challenges more. And the data like I mean the patterns are different in everyone. So
Yeah. Yeah.
methods we are using here are this is not a real-time model. It is just a collection of different works that are done and put together so that we can get a perfect outcome. And in this, there are two data sets that are used, which are clean and sealed. And in that also we used many methodologies. By this, we can highlight the emotions of a human by using
That's fascinating.
few of them are my LFTM and the DRE, which
guess accuracy of 90%. But with a combination of EEG and facial expressions, it can still advance it to 95%. So it's in a good.
Did you mention that they have to use a chip? A chip to identify electro? Okay, it's like the EEG that they put on the head. Right. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So when I go to my cardiologist, I have all those little sticky things with EEG stuff. Okay, so this is the same, right?
But for the brain.
Yeah. Good, good, good. This is fascinating. And in real time, it can be used in every setting, really. You know, when you're an employer, well, they don't really use that to just before hiring a person, but for military, for safety, public safety, you know, hiring or whatnot, this is going to be helpful. And in the medical setting. So, are you a student of Dr. Glossner? Dr. Barker. Right, so this is more on the professional seminar focusing on machine learning. All right. Okay, wonderful. Great job. What's your majors? Computer science. All right, thank you.